Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. That's hit hard. That's hit for 6. That's a great shot. Fantastic batting that. Great execution. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Would be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Very good running between the wickets. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Squeeze a single there. Good running. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting.